Hi, I'm Mark with the NorthshoreCommercialDoor.com. Today we're doing history lessons, and the subject today is gutter brush. And gutter brush is kind of a unique product. It's not too much related to the garage door industry that we're in, but we had a need for it, and so we chased it and found it, and now we sell it, and it's been a successful product for us. What it is, it's a brush that you literally stuff in your downspout or your gutter of your house. And because it's stuffed into the downspout or gutter, it does not allow the leaf to coagulate and plug up your gutter. So if you're in an area that's got trees or seedlings that blow around and plug up your gutters and cause them to overflow, there's all kinds of different products on the market today to handle that, but the gutter brush is a low-price alternative that does a very good job. So take a look at our product line on the website, and if you got any questions, feel free to give us a call.
NorthshoreCommercialDoor.com loves quality products, and the gutter brush we offer is an excellent and easy to install product that makes your life easier around your home. If you have any questions, please contact us by chat or give us a call today. Thank you.